Dr. Catrise Austin, cosmetic dentist to the stars, and today I'm going to talk about one of the most popular cosmetic dentistry procedures that I get asked about all the time, teeth whitening. In today's video, I'm going to cover how you guys can whiten your teeth at home and give you 7 fast and safe tips. Over the past 24 years, I've helped some of your favorite celebrities and even influencers get their smiles pearly white, like Cardi B, boxing champion Claressa Shields, and rapper and actor Common. But I say, having white teeth is not just reserved for celebrities. Oh no, almost anyone who is a candidate for teeth whitening can brighten their smiles without breaking the bank, especially when you whiten your teeth at home. So my goal in this video today is to help you do it at home, fast, and most importantly, safely. According to the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, teeth whitening is in high demand. In the last year alone, guys, Americans spent more than $1.4 billion on over-the-counter teeth whitening. That's a lot of money. All right, number 1. You can use a home teeth whitening kit that contains hydrogen peroxide and an LED light. With the home whitening kits, the hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide gel dissolves the stains from the enamel in deeper layers of the tooth in order to whiten the teeth. The LED lamp works to accelerate the process. It will not work on its own. Just the LED light alone will not whiten your teeth. But when used with peroxide, it acts to speed up the whitening process. You're going to wear it as directed, usually for about 15 to 30 minutes for 5 to 10 days to get the yellow color out. All right, number 2, you can try power brushing your teeth. Now, your daily plan of action should be to incorporate a consistent brushing routine into your daily oral care routine. I like to call it a smile workout, and it's especially important for you to brush after consuming those foods and drinks that can lead to yellow teeth and teeth staining. Brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 whole minutes at a time. That's 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and 30 seconds to total 2 whole minutes. I highly recommend that you use an electric toothbrush because they're far more powerful than manually brushing your teeth alone. The top brands will brush your teeth about 35,000 to 40,000 brush strokes per minute. So they even have timers, so you can't go wrong. They have 2-minute timers, so you're doing an effective clean. Now, if you're going to use a manual toothbrush, please make sure that you're using soft bristles only, not hard, not medium. Again, make sure you're brushing the outside, the biting surface, the tongue side, each section of your mouth for 30 seconds. Tip number 3, you can do power flossing with a Waterpik water flosser. I call these water flossers like the car wash or the spa for your smile. The Waterpik water flosser is a combination of pressure and pulsations, and when you aim that hose right towards the gum line, you're going to see that it's going to clean away all that harmful plaque and food debris that's helping to turn your teeth yellow. So we want to rinse that away. Next is tip number 4. Now, if your teeth are already pretty bright, but you want to minimize the stains, you can brush with the store-bought whitening toothpaste. The whitening toothpaste are effective for removing the enamel surface stains caused by drinking coffee, tea, or smoking. Unlike the peroxide kits with LED light, the whitening toothpaste are not good for changing the color of your teeth. If your teeth are yellow, this is not what you want to use. Now, if your discolorations run deeper, you either want to use the take-home kits with the LED light and peroxide, or you may want to turn to a teeth whitening specialist that has access to the higher concentration of the peroxide gels to give you the results that you're looking for. Now, for the last 3 tips number 5, 6, and 7, I'm going to take you into my kitchen where we're going to do some cool things. So stay tuned and follow me. All right, for number 5, I am so excited to show you how you can whiten your teeth with things that you already have in your kitchen and bathroom cabinets. I am going to show you my kicked up strawberry whitening toothpaste. This is something that celebrities use. Strawberries have a cool little acid called malic acid that has whitening properties. So you'll find that celebs like Catherine Zeta-Jones uses this all the time to keep her teeth white. So one way that you can use strawberries before I get into the recipe is you can literally just take a strawberry, cut it like I have, and put the strawberry directly on your teeth, rub it around for like 2 minutes, use it like a brush, and you can get that malic acid from the strawberries right on your teeth. It's going to dissolve any of the stains that have accumulated on your teeth. As long as you haven't let those stains set for like weeks and weeks and weeks, you'll be able to put this on your teeth and it will dissolve those stains and brighten your teeth. But if you want to get a little fancy with it, you can make my strawberry kicked up toothpaste, the whitening toothpaste. And what you're going to do is you're going to take some strawberries. Make sure they're ripe as you can get them. And I'm going to slice my strawberries, put them in my bowl. 1 large strawberry should be good. And then I am going to have you use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now, anybody out there, if you cook, you know that sometimes you got to modify recipes. So we're going to start out with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Boop, boop, boop. And then we're going to do, I'm going to say 1 to 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. There we go. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to mix it up. And I have some already prepared for you, but let's just do a little bit so we can show you how this works. Oh, and it smells good too. Yes. Get it nice and mushy. All right, right over here, I have some already made for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your sonic toothbrush or your soft manual toothbrush, and you're going to add your kicked up strawberry whitening toothpaste to the bristles. I love the sonic toothbrush because, again, it has a 2-minute timer, and you're going to brush your teeth 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and you are going to find that this toothpaste is going to whiten your smile wonderfully. So let's get into our tip number 6 for whitening your teeth at home. If you guys are not familiar with charcoal, by now it's become so popular that you probably have heard about it. It's this black powder that is activated charcoal, not what we grill with on our barbecue grills. We have our activated charcoal. What you want to do, you may find these in the stores, and the price ranges from anywhere between $3 to $30. You want to make sure that you're getting a nice finely cut charcoal. The cheaper the brand, the more coarse it's going to be, and the more harmful and abrasive to your teeth it may become. We don't want that. So if you can see here, this is my VIP Smiles charcoal. It's very, very fine. And you can see it here. I poured a little bit here for you guys. And the way that you're going to use this is you're going to wet the bristles of your toothbrush, either the soft manual toothbrush. Now you can see here I'm using a charcoal bristled toothbrush because the powder is black. And you'll find that over time it'll kind of turn your white bristles. If you're using a regular toothbrush, it's going to turn those black. So I'm using a charcoal infused toothbrush. And what you're going to do is wet your bristles, dip it in the powder, and then do the same brushing 2 minutes, 2 full minutes, each section of your mouth, and you're gonna do a complete brushing and then rinse your mouth. Now, you definitely wanna do this over a sink because the powder gets a little messy, especially if you're using your sonic toothbrush, but it's worth it. And you also may find that once you rinse your mouth, there may still be little black particles of charcoal in your mouth. So you may want to finish off with a sonic toothbrush just to make sure, because it's powerful enough to clean your teeth completely. You do this almost every single day, especially if you drink coffee or tea, or you could do it once a week if you just want to make sure that you're not abusing your teeth or you're not going to scrape the enamel away. There's lots of rumors that charcoal is so harmful for your enamel. No, if you do it in moderation, just like the other things that you do that you love, in moderation is going to be safe and effective for keeping your teeth stain free and bright. Tip number 7 is going to be a oldie but goodie. It's called coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling is something that's very, very similar to charcoal brushing because the coconut oil is a natural detoxifying agent. So again, not only are you going to keep your teeth bright with the coconut oil, you're going to pull out the bacteria and keep your mouth healthy as well. So very, very simple. There's 2 ways that you can get the coconut. I found these packets in Trader Joe, one of my favorite grocery stores. Trader Joe's has the organic virgin coconut oil packets. And when you open the box, it comes in a nice little packet like this. You can either open up the packet, squirt this in your mouth, and you're going to swish with the coconut oil for about 10 to 20 minutes. The longer, the better. Now, if you want to make it a little bit easier, if this looks too oily, too thick for you, you don't want to put the packet in, then you can use the other form. Comes in a liquid form. Now this I found in Whole Foods. Trader Joe's only sells the packets, but on Whole Foods they have the liquid form. So you can literally open this up, use about 1/4 cup of coconut oil in your mouth, rinse, swish it really good, and do that again for 10 to 20 minutes and spit it out. You don't necessarily want to swallow it, just like the other mouthwashes and rinses that you use, that you buy in the stores. Just make sure you rinse it out really good, and if you want to finish off by brushing, you're going to be in good shape. Again, if you use coconut oil, you're going to pull out the toxins, kill the bacteria, fight the plaque, which builds up to yellow deposits on your teeth, and you're going to have a whiter smile. So that concludes my 7 home teeth whitening tips that you can use with things that you have in your kitchen cabinet, in your bathroom cabinet, in products that I highly recommend that can really help. All right, so if you guys have been thinking about enhancing the color of your teeth with teeth whitening and you want to see if you are a candidate for teeth whitening before you start spending money on products that may or may not work, click on the link below, and as a bonus, guys, I will evaluate the color of your teeth for free. I want to help guide you guys in the right direction. And if you want my free teeth whitening recipe guide, text recipe to 810-777-6277 and you can make your own fresh teeth whitening paste and rinses to keep your smile healthy and bright daily. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to continue to see more cosmetic dentistry goodness, please make sure that you subscribe, turn on those notifications, and like the videos that bring value to you so I'll know exactly what you like and I can continue to bring you more of what you're looking for.